Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Conqueror frame. This highly sought-after reward is a symbol of elite achievement in competitive gaming. It signifies that you have reached the pinnacle of the ranking system. We will cover everything from understanding the rank requirements to the specific actions needed to secure your frame. Let's dive into the details of how you can proudly display this exclusive item. To earn the Conqueror frame, your primary goal is to reach the Conqueror rank itself. This elite tier is exclusively for the top 500 players within your region and chosen game mode. You must first surpass the Ace rank, which usually requires accumulating approximately 4,200 points. From there, it becomes a consistent push to outscore competitors and secure a position among the top 500 before the daily leaderboard refresh. Achieving Conqueror demands more than just good aim. It requires strategic mastery. Focus on surviving longer and securing high placements in each match, as these contribute significantly to your rank points. Consistency and endurance are key. Many top players dedicate 7 to 10 hours daily. Develop smart game strategies, such as choosing safe landing spots and understanding zone movements. Playing in duo or solo modes can sometimes offer a less intense path to the top 500. Congratulations, you've reached Conqueror. Now, to claim your coveted frame, you must play 5 additional matches while holding this rank. The Conqueror avatar frame is usually awarded right after completing these 5 games. Other exclusive rewards, such as the Conqueror title and name tag, are typically distributed when the current season concludes. Rest assured, once you have played your 5 qualifying matches, the frame is permanently yours, even if your rank fluctuates afterward.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.